morning, everyone, and welcome to this new episode of newsLive. Today, 20 March, we celebrate World Flower Day, an occasion dedicated to one of the simplest yet most extraordinary ingredients in our diet. Flour, in fact, is much more than just a raw material. It is culture and tradition, hard work and research. It is the meeting point between the earth, milling technologies, and the creativity of those who know how to transform it every day into bread, pizza, and other baked goods. To mark this day, we've chosen to give a voice to those who truly live and breathe flour every day. Today we meet Roberto Polenghi, a baker and chef, who welcomes us into his workplace amidst millstones, dough, and the aroma of freshly baked bread. Let's now listen to his story, told with such passion.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Roberto Polenghi. I'm a baker and a chef. I'm here today to talk to you about this wonderful flour, this wonderful ingredient that has given me so much in life. Here is the machine that introduced me to flour. In fact, when I realized the potential of these ingredients, I became obsessed. I went searching, even abroad, to see windmills, to see them in Portugal, in Holland, in Garfagnana, here in Italy. So mills powered by water, by the energy of water. It's incredible how we've tried to make flour over the millennia. Think of the Egyptians, how skilled they were with these fine sieves that they used to make white flour. This is incredible, 3,000, 4,000 years ago, and this is the flour separator. Here, this is, let's say, a miniature mill that serves purely for study today. Today, we have technology that helps us immensely. Think about how far we've come and how we're able today to make different flours and diversify the types of flour. We even have a flour for every use, from cookies to bread to pastry mixes. There are truly countless solutions, and this has been possible because we've always dedicated ourselves to flour. Humans have always been attached to wheat and its final product, flour. This is a 2.5 kilo loaf of bread that we can eat over the course of more than a week. You see, this too is an ancestral lesson. Even now, with technology, we're able to do truly incredible things, and I'm thrilled to be able to collaborate and use cutting-edge products and technologies while remembering that we come from the past. This has truly allowed me to work with exceptional products. I must thank the families who produce and distribute this resource, flour, which is a tremendous resource and also a wonderful challenge for us, bakers. So flour is about enjoyment and sharing, and I wish everyone a happy Flour Day.
We would like to thank Roberto Polenghi for sharing his experience with us and, above all, for the passion he conveys when speaking about his work. His words remind us that behind every loaf, behind every batch of dough, there's always a story made up of knowledge, craftsmanship and love for raw ingredient. And it is precisely this spirit with which we wish to celebrate World Flour Day today, to recognize the value of an ingredient that has been part of people's lives for centuries and continues to play a leading role in the hands of professionals like Roberto Polenghi. Thank you, in turn, for following us in this episode of newsLive. If you'd like to discover more stories, interviews or insights related to the world of milling, flour production or the food industry, keep following us on social media and don't miss the next episodes of our series. Remember, flour is just the beginning. but in the right hands it can become something truly extraordinary. See you soon!